today I'm making my first ever bulletproof tea, and I'm really excited for this because I've never had it. I'm using the green tea with lemon, and I also made avocado keto brownies and cloud bread. I'm gonna start with the base. This is just a vanilla flavor, and I'm gonna use a full scoop. Now I'm gonna get some of the collagen, then MCT oil powder. I'm about to taste it. I'm so scared. Actually, it's not that bad. It just tastes like vanilla, like powdered vanilla. Around 11, I will have my first break. I'll go to Vons to the deli and I'll grab my lunch and maybe some snacks. And I'm really hungry, so I buy a lot of snacks sometimes. Come lunch, I already have my lunch ready. Today, when I drank the bulletproof tea, I was fine. I went to my break. I went to just go have my lunch, but I didn't buy any snacks. My lunch was at 1. I didn't feel hungry. I didn't feel like I was about to die. I got a chicken thigh. It was the mango habanero chicken thigh. I don't know the macros for that. And then I had an avocado. I'm not a big fan of the avocado, and till right now I feel really good, but I'm actually really tempted to try the nootropic right now when I get back to work, and we're gonna go from there. Last night we had chicken parm, and this is the leftover. It was so bomb. This is my nootropic, and this is my bulletproof tea. Around like 5ish, I did make a tea and I put my nootropic, but I didn't end up drinking it until maybe like 8 or 9. And I drank it so late because I wanted to have energy so I could edit a little bit, and I did. I got something done. I did like the way it made me feel. Like I had energy. I didn't feel tired. Right now I feel like certain smells or something like triggers, and I just don't. I feel like throwing up because it smells so nasty to me. Normally what I do is I drink some water and it kind of calms down, but I think I'm gonna have it a little bit sooner because I'm feeling kind of hungry right now and I don't want to feel this. This morning I didn't have breakfast, you know, like around 10. That's when I had the bulletproof tea. I woke up feeling like I always do, where like that nauseous, I need to eat feeling. Once I get that feeling, I'll drink it, but maybe I should start drinking it way before. That's honestly the only thing that I want to fix about myself, is where I don't feel that like starving feeling. I don't feel like I need to eat because I don't want to eat in the morning. Like I feel so lazy to eat. But just drinking this, again, I'm gonna say it again, the taste is weird. It's so weird. It tastes different. At the same time, it's not disgustingly disgusting. It just honestly reminds me of, like, it's imitating like a protein powder or something. I ate a little bit of chicken parm, so right now I'm kind of hungry, but not like I need to eat right now. If not, I'm gonna die. I just finished having breakfast. It's 10 o'clock. I just had honestly maybe like an egg and a piece of bacon, and I don't know, it made me feel weird, but it's okay. I just decided not to have my shake in the morning, so I'll just later I'll take the nootropic with the MCT oil. Yesterday at the restaurant, everybody was having drinks and eating and having a good time. I was just drinking my water, trying to be keto friendly, and we ended up staying there for a long time, like for real. And then from there we went to a different bar, so I took a sip of a beer. There was fries right in front of me. I grabbed a couple, and then after that we had chicken wings and we had sliders. It came with the Hawaiian bread, but I just took the Hawaiian bread out. I just had the patty. It was a little bit of cheese with a pickle and some cheese and whatever dressing it was. I had 2 of those with some ketchup and ranch. Bomb. We went to Taco Bell. I just had 2 of the Supreme tacos, but just the inside of that. And then I had the chalupa. I've already drank one of these. I'm drinking my tea, and then I don't know, for lunch we'll see. I was thinking of just getting some chicken. I don't know. I left my camera in the car and I'm pretty sure it's not charged, but for breakfast I have my fasting drink. I just haven't mixed it. And then I had 2 eggs with some cheese and 2, either they're turkey or like regular sausage patties, I'm not too sure. And then I have my big old cup of water. So for breakfast today I had my bulletproof tea, and then for lunch I made 2 eggs with 2 of the sausage patties. My sister also put a slice of pizza. Last night she made some keto pizza, which was bomb. So we had some of that. And for lunch, it was a really big lunch. I really got full, but after I was like, you know what, I'll just eat it, and then if I'm hungry later, I'll eat. But honestly, right now, I'd probably be hungry, and I'm not starving. This is my 4th cup of water. Yesterday I was pretty good. Sunday I was horrible, like I said, all of that stuff. But today I feel good. I feel back to where I need to be. I don't feel horrible. I don't feel bad for eating what I did on Sunday. I do not feel bad. I'm glad I didn't overdo it, because easily I could have just had the sliders and eaten it all. Like, I'm not trying to justify it, but I'm trying to say it in the way where I don't feel bad. And a non-scale victory, my shirts are now starting to fit me loose. Like, they felt before rest of my body. Like yeah, I could, not that I couldn't breathe, but you could tell they were tight. So for breakfast today, I had my bulletproof tea, excuse me. But this time what I did, instead of using vanilla, I used the coffee, and it actually tasted really good. It just tasted like a caramel macchiato. I feel like with the vanilla one compared, they're both the same brand, but I feel like the vanilla one was a little bit more powdery, whereas the coffee one blended so well. When I add the vanilla one, there's clumps, and I thought because it's so much powder, it's the MCT oil, the base, and the collagen, I thought it's a lot of powder, it makes clumps. It makes sense. But I used my MCT oil, the collagen, and just changed the bases, so there was no clumps. It was way easier to finish. For lunch, I bought a whole rotisserie chicken from Bonds, and I bought an avocado. I had my tea around 10:30. It's 1:36. I've only drank one of these, and this is my second one. I need to drink a little bit more water.